For this haircut, we start with our sectioning. Notice the two triangles on the side and the triangle in the back. When we go to cut, we start in the crown area. Just divide your back triangle into two sections, and then you're going to pivot to make three sections, 1, 2, 3, on each side. When you're cutting, we're going to cut from short to long, increasing our length. And we cut each section, bringing it to the middle. So the center is a stationary guide, and we're bringing towards the middle, so that it is going to be the shortest in this crown area and gradually getting longer towards the side. Once we've cut this side and your other side, then we can just take vertical sectioning, and when you hold that out, you will see your guideline, and then you're going to do a finger shift to increase length. So with this haircut, we want to maintain the length and have it shorter in the interior. We're just going to keep taking vertical sections. Remember, the crown area is already cut. Bring that towards the 6 point, the center of the head, shift, and cut to increase length. And we continue doing that on both sides. So vertical sections, bring it to the middle, finger shift to increase length. Next one, next one. Once you've completed that, you're going to, and we're going to use the chin as a guide, and we're just going to bring this hair down, cut the hair at the chin. It will bounce up slightly, so be aware of that. And if you want it to actually sit right at the chin, cut it a little, about an inch below the chin. Then we're just going to bring all the hair in front of the ear. We're going to bring that forward, shift, and we're going to cut again to increase length. Bring all the hair forward, cut. And then we just want to blend it at the back. Once you get to that point, just comb that hair down. Remember, we had our point in our section. Comb that hair down and just blend. When I cut the back, one thing I forgot to mention is once the back was all cut, I pulled all this hair in the back out, directed it towards the center, and I just did a little bit of point cutting in there just to remove some of the bulk and to blend everything. Okay. So that's how we're cutting our perimeter of this haircut and the crown interior of the haircut. And this is a long layered haircut. It's just a different version. Some people are referring to this as a wolf cut because it is short in the crown, and that's what a wolf cut is. It's short in the interior and gradually longer and thin around the exterior of the haircut.